Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the auto climate control in the 2021 Kia Seltos. I have in front of me here an EX all-wheel drive in Neptune Blue. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start off with the buttons, and sorry, forgive the glare. We have the off button if you want to turn the climate control off altogether. We have your front defroster button, your rear defroster button, which does include your side mirrors. You've got the mode button, and you press that to just cycle through where you want the air to come from. You have your recirculation, air recirculation, fresh air. You have the small fan button and the big fan button, so you can cycle through how fast or slow you want the fan speed to go. And we have the air conditioning button. So on the left here, you have your temperature control knob and the auto button. So if I go ahead and select auto, you'll notice 3 lights have come on. And it says over here next to the fan speed that it's on high. So that means that the auto climate will push the fan speed up to the highest setting in order to reach the temperature that we've selected here for in the cabin. So if we happen to reach the temperature, the fan will kind of calm down and lower itself. And if you go ahead and open a window or a door or anything, it needs to readjust. It will push the fan speed up to that highest setting in order to reach that temperature again. You can cycle through. And right now there's only 2 lights on, and now it's set to medium. Then there's also low. And if you wanted to interrupt that at any time, you can go ahead and hit one of the fan speed buttons, and it will turn the auto control off, and now you're back in full control. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you go ahead and hit that like button, and make sure you subscribe and select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Please also go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All of the links are in the description below. Thank you.